video. Today we have Ryobi days. This is a sneak peek of what's coming up. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. Just the way YouTube runs their platform by subscribers and likes. Yeah, so I did get this at Facebook. One of the guys posted it on the group. Alright, so we got Ryobi days. Buy this. It does look like it's two 4 amp hour batteries. It says right here. If you guys look closely on this area, you guys see that the batteries are shaped a little differently. There might be some new version of the 4 amp hour batteries. And also here at the charger is different as well. It's kind of like the old one, but it's a greenish, you know, the greenish color. So it might be the same charger, just different color. But these batteries, they might be the same batteries, but you know, different shape. Here on the front there, they look like they're black. It says 18 volt 1 plus 4 amp hour lithium starter kit, get one. So you can buy this toolkit and get a free tool. Select free power tool. It says valid 5/24/21 to 6, I believe, 1 or something like that. I can't really read that. It's hard to read. But yeah, it's pretty much the Ryobi days. It says free select power tool with the purchase up to $79.97 value. Alright, the first one that we have, it looks like we have a hammer drill. I don't know if these are brushless or not, to tell you the truth. Most of these are brushed, probably brush tools. This is the hammer drill, the first one, and then the other one is the impact driver. We got a circular saw. I believe it's the old circular saw. It's not the brushless one. It looks like we got a Dremel tool, like a rotary tool here, for smaller projects. And this looks like I don't know if this is a speaker or the multi-charger. So it might be a speaker there. It's hard to see. Let me know in the comment section if you guys know what some of these tools are. And then this one's the light. This is we've seen this. A lot of people have been getting these couple lights. They're the smaller lights, and I guess it's a 2-pack. You do have an angle grinder here. I believe it's the brush. I don't think it's the brushless. We got the sander here. And then we have an inflator here. We got another battery. It might be a smaller battery. It might be like a 2.0 amp hour battery. From the looks of it, to comparing it to the ones on the top, it looks a little smaller. But then again, the picture is smaller, so it could be the same battery. It could be another 4, maybe a 3 or a 2. And then you have, well, you do have the SKU numbers here at the bottom. So if you guys want to look those up, if you guys can read them. You got, what is this? Reciprocating saw. I don't know if it's brushless. You got a jigsaw. I know this one's not brushless because I do have it. And this looks like a hot glue gun here to the right. And then just below it, you got a chainsaw. This is one of the newer chainsaws. This is an 8-inch chainsaw. I did see this in one of the stores up north from me, in a smaller town. So I did see this chainsaw. It's a really nice chainsaw. It's a top handle. Just a really small one though. I believe it's an 8-inch. You got a blower there, and then you got this this trimmer. I do have this trimmer. It works really nice. It's a little heavy, but it works really good. You do have an inverter here. A lot of you guys said that you guys love these inverters. They do come with, I believe, a USB port. Then this fan. I do have this fan too. So this fan's a really nice tool here. I have it. I use it all over the house. And then the next thing is the polisher. It looks like a polisher or a waxer. And then you got the oscillating tool to the left. So these are all the tools. And it says in-store event Saturday, May 29th, 2021. Time 7:30 to 3. This, I don't know what this state, I guess. This location, this, I don't know. Anyways, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.